Listen up, you lot. Today we're diving headfirst into the fiery depths of the kitchen with the Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL. This ain't your average kitchen gadget, it's a 6-in-1 beast with a 6.5-quart capacity, ready to tackle anything from crispy fries to juicy steaks. We're talking model number AF181, SKU 6570528, and don't you dare forget it. This bad boy boasts a stellar 4.8 out of 5-star rating from over 200 reviews, so you know it's the real deal. And the best part? It won't break the bank at just $139.99. So, buckle up and get ready for a deep dive into the Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL. This review is going to be a scorcher, clocking in at over 10 minutes because we're leaving no stone unturned. Alright you Muppets, let's get down to brass tacks. Today we're diving into the world of air frying with the Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL 6-in-1. This isn't just any air fryer, it's a game changer in the kitchen. This Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL is a 6-in-1 monster, meaning it can air fry, roast, bake, reheat, dehydrate, and even broil your food. Imagine the possibilities with just one appliance. It's like having 6 bloody appliances in one. And with a 6.5-quart capacity, this thing is massive. You won't believe how much food you can fit in here. You can cook a whole chicken in here, a mountain of fries for the family, or even a decent-sized roast for Sunday dinner. It's perfect for those big family gatherings or meal prepping for the week. No more cramming food into tiny air fryers and praying for the best. This beast is all about efficiency and power. Say goodbye to unevenly cooked meals and hello to perfection. It heats up in a flash, cooks food evenly, and delivers that crispy, golden brown perfection we all crave. Whether it's fries, chicken, or veggies, everything comes out just right. No more soggy, undercooked disasters. This air fryer is like having your own personal sous chef, taking care of the hard work while you sit back and take all the credit. Imagine the compliments you'll get. It's perfect for busy families, lazy cooks, and anyone who wants to enjoy delicious, healthy meals without the hassle. Whether you're cooking for one or a crowd, this air fryer has got you covered. But don't just take my word for it. We're going to put this ninja to the test, cooking up a storm and seeing if it can handle the heat. We'll explore its versatility and see if it lives up to the hype. We'll be making crispy fries, juicy chicken wings, and even a decadent chocolate cake, all in this bad boy. Yes, you heard that right, a chocolate cake in an air fryer. So, stay tuned and see for yourself why the Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL is taking the culinary world by storm. It's not just an appliance, it's a revolution in home cooking. It's time to ditch your deep fryer and embrace the future of cooking. With the Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL, you're not just cooking, you're creating culinary masterpieces with ease. Now listen carefully, you donkey. You're going to want to remember this. The model number you're after is AF181. That's AF181. For the love of all things crispy. And the SKU? That's 6570528. Don't even think about coming back to me whining that you bought the wrong model. I've given you all the information you need, so pay attention. This is the Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL in all its glory, and you don't want to settle for anything less. These numbers are your golden ticket to culinary greatness, so write them down, tattoo them on your arm. I don't care. Just make sure you get your hands on the right model. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room. The bloody rating. This Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL boasts an impressive 4.8 out of 5 stars from over 224 reviews. That's a lot of people who have taken the time to share their positive experiences. That's right, you heard me correctly. 4.8 stars is no small feat. People are raving about this thing, and for good reason. It's not just a kitchen gadget, it's a game changer. It's reliable, it's efficient, and it delivers consistently delicious results. Imagine cooking your favorite meals in less time and with less hassle. Don't just take my word for it, go and read the reviews yourself. You'll find countless stories of satisfied customers. These are real people, just like you and me, who have experienced the magic of the Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL. They've shared their honest opinions. They've cooked with it, tested it, and come out the other side singing its praises. From crispy fries to juicy chicken, the results speak for themselves. And let's be honest, in this day and age, you can't trust everything you read online. But when you see a product with this many positive reviews, you know it's gotta be good. But when you see a product with this many positive reviews, you know it's gotta be good. It's a testament to its quality and performance. So, there you have it. The Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL is not just another kitchen appliance, it's a must-have for anyone serious about cooking. The proof is in the pudding, or in this case, the perfectly cooked chicken wings. The results are undeniable. The Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL lives up to the hype and then some. It's a kitchen revolution waiting to happen in your home. Chapter 4, Price $139.99. Now for the moment of truth, the price. You might be thinking, Gordon, this all sounds fantastic, but my wallet is crying just thinking about it. Well, wipe away those tears, you cheapskate, because the Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL is only $139.99. That's right, you can have a piece of culinary heaven for less than the price of a fancy dinner out. And let's be honest, wouldn't you rather invest in an appliance that will bring you joy for years to come? This is an investment in your health, your happiness, and your sanity. No more slaving over a hot stove or dealing with greasy messes. The Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL makes cooking a breeze, and it won't cost you an arm and a leg. So, what are you waiting for? Go out there and grab yourself one before they're all gone. Chapter 5, Pros and Cons. Now let's be real for a minute. No product is perfect, and the Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL is no exception. But trust me, the pros far outweigh the cons. Let's start with the good stuff. This air fryer is a bloody workhorse. It cooks food quickly and evenly, delivering that crispy, golden brown perfection every single time. It's also incredibly versatile, allowing you to air fry, roast, bake, reheat, dehydrate, and even broil your food. And did I mention it's easy to clean? Because it is. The basket and crisping tray are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Now, for the cons. And frankly, I'm struggling to find any major flaws with this thing. Some people might complain about the size, but honestly, the 6.5-quart capacity is perfect for most families. Sure, it might take up a bit of counter space, but trust me, it's worth it. Overall, the Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL is a game changer. It's affordable, it's versatile, and it delivers consistently delicious results. What more could you ask for? Whether you're a busy parent, a health-conscious individual, or just someone who loves good food, this air fryer has got you covered. It's a reliable kitchen companion that makes cooking fun and easy. So, if you're on the fence about getting one, I'd say go for it. You won't regret it. Chapter 6, Features. Let's talk features, shall we? The Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL is packed with them. First up, we have the 6-in-1 functionality. This bad boy can air fry, roast, bake, reheat, dehydrate, and even broil your food. It's like having a whole bloody kitchen in one appliance. Next, we have the large 6.5-quart capacity. This thing is massive. You can cook for a crowd, meal prep for the week, or just make a giant batch of fries for yourself. No judgment here. And let's not forget about the ease of use. This air fryer is incredibly user-friendly. Simply select your cooking function, set the temperature and time, and let the Ninja do its thing. It's that easy. But wait, there's more. The Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL also features a digital display, dishwasher-safe parts, and a sleek, modern design that will look great in any kitchen. Honestly, this air fryer has it all. It's the complete package. Outrow final verdict, Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL. So there you have it, you lot. The Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL has been through the ringer, and it's come out on top. This 6-in-1 beast is a game changer in the kitchen, delivering crispy, delicious results every single time. If you're looking for an air fryer that can do it all, look no further. The Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL is the real deal. Remember, you're after model number AF181, SKU 6570528. Don't settle for anything less. Thanks for tuning in, you bunch of misfits. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more brutally honest reviews. Now get out of my kitchen.